Another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out some toothbrushes. So these are extra big toothbrushes, super long bristle heads on there, and it's probably about twice as many bristles as most toothbrushes. I believe these are used, you could use these on your teeth, but they are pretty stiff. I would generally use these just for cleaning. A lot with like working with like machine parts where you're using like a solvent or something like that to scrub. It's nice stiff bristles on these. Can clean, you know, gunk out of like grout and like on your shower and things like that. You know, just add some cleaner with that and use the scrubbing. And it's gonna, these bristles are gonna help get down into the grimy areas and all that, and clean out nicely. These also have these pointy ends on them, so if you did need to like scrape a little bit to help loosen some stuff off and then get the rest off with this, that's nice and handy. Also has that little little hole in the end. You could hang it on a hook, or perhaps it looks like it might even be sharp. I'm not even sure. But this pack comes with 8 of these guys, so whether you wanted to brush your teeth with them, and looks like just because they are longer, I think you could use these for your teeth. Some people prefer firmer bristles, some like the soft ones, just in how you choose, and like twice the coverage there with one toothbrush. So comes in 4 different colors: red, pink, blue, and greenish. So yeah, kind of a handy device to have around the house for cleaning and for brushing your teeth. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.